man, or girl, oh girl. There you have those work days where it's just non-stop. Busy, busy, busy. And everything takes a whole lot of mind power and concentration, like for real, for real. Yeah, that was me today. But I am grateful that I was able to get accomplished what I did during the day. Now, I got to make it on to the next thing that I've got going on for the day. And then get home and make the chili for tomorrow, right? Got to get started with that. And I have to do that today for real, because tomorrow DJ has a football game at like, I don't know, 6:30 or 7 o'clock. So I really won't have time to cook it tomorrow, so I've got to cook it tonight when I get home. So we may be cooking chili. Well, if we don't cook chili, I will definitely be making chili when I get home. I took the hamburger and sausage and all that stuff out this morning. I put it in the refrigerator to unthaw. I may need to call and have somebody actually sit it out on the counter to unthaw. And y'all see how the sun is shining now? Bright. We came in, I was bright sunshine. I don't know if you can see my glasses, probably not, because the sun is directly in my face. But my little transitions have turned over to sunglasses. Yes, they have made their way to sunglasses. But anyway, continue to have a good day. If I choose to cook together as a group today, that will be a whole separate video. So I don't know if I'm going to come back on this one for the rest of the day. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't think I am. So just in case I don't, let me say have a great day, and until next time. So I have managed to sit the ingredients out to make chili. And you know I don't do many carbs, so this will be added in after I, like mix it all up in there. We'll see what happens. Whew, hey, look at my eyes. I am like tired for real. Y'all see these eyes? These are tired eyes, okay? But I got chili to cook. So I got the burger going. Did this happen to y'all when y'all cooking y'all hamburgers? When you put the whole little thing in there and that piece in the middle still be frozen. So you end up with a patty in the middle. But I got the burger cooking. I got my onions and peppers cooking. So it's going down. The process has begun. So I got my little chili powder and some other seasoning already on the ground beef. I'm going to add some spicy sausage, as well as I think some chorizo to it. And then, like I said, I already got the onion and the bell pepper simmering also. And I've got to get the little cauliflower cut down, and it's going to be chili. Stay tuned. Okay, I've added the sausage as well as the chorizo to the ground beef. You got it simmering. Looks good. Smells delicious. Got my peppers and stuff back there in the back too. Getting ready to work with this fresh cauliflower. Making some rice. Gonna use this gadget. Rice cauliflower. Okay, so this is a little bit more than half of the cauliflower that I riced, and I think it's going to be more than enough for adding in with the chili. So just to see how deep it is in here. So I'm just going to kind of blanch it a little bit with a little butter, season it up, and then it's going to be added to the chili. That I'll put in a crock pot for a little bit tonight. Then I'll just have it in the refrigerator waiting for Wednesday. So of course I added a little butter, some chili powder, some pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. Smells delicious. I think I'm going to mince a little bit of fresh garlic and add to the cauliflower too. Garlic is always good, right? I am making a straight mess in this kitchen, but I'm throwing down. Got the meat ready, got the cauliflower rice ready. Gonna get ready to put stuff into the crock pot. Got the crock pot set up over in this corner. So gonna put this stuff in the crock pot on low for a few hours and see what we got. I will show you the finished product later when it's all done. All right, peace. All right, the meat and the peppers and onions. And the meat was ground beef, chorizo sausage, and spicy sausage. And no beans, but we do have some fresh riced cauliflower. And then there's diced tomatoes, of course, and more chili seasoning mix. Yum, yum. So now we let it do its thing in the crock pot. But how delicious does that look? Low carb, delicious keto chili by Marie. Yum. Hopefully I'm going to win something. Gold, silver, or bronze. We'll see. Hopefully I place. It smells delicious. Alright. The finished product. Doing this thing within the crock pot still. I think I'm going to be a winner. All right, today was the chili cook-off, and I won silver. I took second place with my beanless low-carb chili. Woo woo. Have a great day. Until next time. Peace.